Did you know your next used car could bankrupt you? Right now, 461,000 trucks are on the road with a defect that locks the rear wheels while you are driving 70 miles per hour. And that is just number one on our list of 9 transmission time bombs. These are not old beaters. They are 2015 to 2024 models hiding $6,500 repair bills. Keep watching because the car you are about to buy might be on this list. Number 9. GM Silverado, Sierra, Yukon, Tahoe, and Suburban 2015-2019. Kicking off our countdown at number 9 is GM's 8L90 and 8L45 automatic transmissions. Earning a notorious reputation as the Chevy Shudder, found in the Silverado, Sierra, Yukon, Tahoe, Suburban, and Colorado from 2015 through 2019, this transmission has ruined countless road trips. Owners describe it as a sudden steering wheel shaking vibration while cruising smoothly down the highway as if you have hit a mile-long stretch of rumble strips. It is not just annoying, it signals a serious systemic failure. The root cause is almost always a failing torque converter clutch. As the clutch degrades, it sheds material into the transmission fluid. That contaminated fluid then sandblasts critical components, damaging the stator bearing and circulating metal shavings through the valve body, accelerating wear and clogging vital passages. GM issued Technical Service Bulletin 18, NA 177 recommending triple fluid washes with improved fluid, but forums are full of reports of the Shudder returning within just 3,100 miles. When the torque converter finally fails, repair costs average $4,500 if the transmission case is not damaged. If it is, a full replacement can skyrocket costs even higher. Bottom line, avoid any of these GM trucks and subs with an 8L90 or 8L45 from 2015 to 2019. Even fixed 2019 models are not immune. It is a gamble that can cost thousands. Number 8. Jeep Cherokee 2017-2019. At number 15 is the Jeep Cherokee with its infamous 9-speed automatic co. Developed with ZF. This transmission promised smooth shifts and fuel efficiency. What it delivered was pure chaos. Owners call it the 40 miles per hour death shudder, a violent vibration that makes your entire SUV feel like it is tearing itself apart. But here is what is truly terrifying. The transmission randomly selects neutral while you are driving. Imagine merging onto a highway and suddenly having zero power. You are a sitting duck in 4,000 lb of metal. Jeep tried fixing it with over a dozen software updates. Spoiler alert, they did not work. The problem was so widespread that multiple class action lawsuits were filed. When this transmission finally gives up, you are looking at a $5,200 minimum for a replacement. Many owners just junk their entire SUV rather than pay that bill. Number 7. Chevy Blazer 2019. At number 14, we have the 2019 Chevy Blazer with its 9-speed automatic that plays Russian roulette with your safety. Jim tried to revive the Blazer name with nostalgia, but what buyers got was a transmission nightmare. The symptoms are terrifying. Hard, jarring shifts that feel like you have been rear-ended, constant gear hunting on hills that makes passengers nauseous, and the grand finale, the transmission suddenly shifts into neutral at highway speeds. Picture this, you are cruising at 70 miles per hour in the left lane and suddenly your engine is just revving with zero power going to the wheels. Consumer Reports gave it the worst reliability scores in its class, and for good reason. When this gearbox starts spinning metal shavings, expect dealer quotes north of $6,000. Until GM completely redesigns this troubled unit, buy a Ford Edge or Honda Passport instead. Number 6. BMW M5 A60 2005-2010. Unlucky number 13 goes to a legend with a fatal flaw. The A60 BMW M5. That screaming V0 engine is automotive poetry. The SMG sequential manual gearbox, that is a horror story with a German accent. Hydraulic pump failure is not a possibility, it is a guarantee. When that pump dies, the car forgets how to change gears entirely. You are stranded. Probably somewhere expensive and inconvenient. The pump alone costs $2,700 before specialized coating. If the control module also throws a tantrum, add another grand. Parts are becoming scarce and expensive. It has gotten so bad that owners are doing full 6-speed manual conversions costing up to $12,000. People are spending $12,000 just to make their car drivable. This is the definition of a money pit, unless you have a BMW specialist on speed dial and a trust fund run away. Number 5. Kia Optima 2019. Number 12 is the 2019 Kia Optima, a midsize sedan that looks great in photos, but drives like it has anger management issues, especially on cold mornings. The 6-speed automatic suffers from delayed engagement. You shift into drive, press the gas, and nothing. Just an awkward pause before the car violently lurches forward like it has been kicked. Then comes the slamming first to second shifts that feel like you are being rear-ended by your own transmission. Consumer Reports gave it a dismal 1 out of 5 for transmission reliability. Once those clutch packs are glazed from harsh shifts, the only fix is a complete teardown or replacement, typically around $4,400. Here's the kicker. The 2020 model with a revised 8-speed is actually decent, but why gamble? Just buy a Toyota Camry or Honda Accord and forget this problem exists. Number 4. Hyundai Elantra 2016. At number 11, the 6th generation Hyundai Elantra proves that even great warranties cannot save you from terrible engineering. On paper, it was perfect. Sharp styling, great value, and that famous 10-year warranty. In reality, the 6-speed automatic decided to quit working entirely. Owner forums are filled with horror stories of total transmission failure at just 28,600 miles. That is practically brand new. One minute you are driving normally, the next the gear lever is completely useless. The transmission flat out refuses to engage any gear. Even when Hyundai covered repairs under warranty, owners faced multi-week waits for parts. And if you are out of warranty, that is a $4,000 bill you were not expecting. Pro tip: if you must have an Elantra, find a 2017 model built after September 2016. Hyundai quietly revised the transmission, and those later models are far more reliable. Number 3. Chevrolet Traverse 2013. Number 10 is the 2013 Chevrolet Traverse, a popular family SUV that turns into a financial nightmare right when you need it most. The 6-speed automatic has more failure points than a Jenga tower in an earthquake, case cracks leading to fatal fluid leaks, the 3.5R clutch drum failing prematurely. These issues typically execute the gearbox between 109,000 and 140,000 miles. That might sound like a lot, but for a vehicle designed for family road trips and daily carpools, those miles rack up shockingly fast. The average replacement cost is $4,100. What is worse, many independent transmission shops refuse to even rebuild these units, citing inconsistent parts quality and high failure rates. Here is the gut punch. For the money you would spend fixing a busted Traverse, you could buy a clean 2013 Lexus RX, a vehicle legendary for bulletproof reliability. Number 2. Hyundai Santa Fe and Kia Sorento 2021-2024. Breaking into our top 9 are some surprisingly new vehicles. The 2021 to 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe and Kia Sorento with the 8-speed dual clutch transmission. It promised sports car responsiveness in a family SUV. The reality, it behaves like a bucking bronco in city traffic. Violent first to second gear jerks are common. Delayed throttle response and sudden power cutouts are not just annoying, they are dangerous, especially when you need to accelerate into traffic. Its has received hundreds of complaints. Repairing these complex oil-bathed units requires removing the entire transaxle. Quotes hover around $6,000, and parts can be back-ordered for months, leaving families without their primary vehicle. Until this DCT is redesigned, stick with the conventional 8-speed automatic found in earlier models, or just buy a Honda Pilot and enjoy peace of mind. If you are finding this information helpful, please hit that subscribe button and help us get to 100,000 subscribers. Your support helps this channel grow. Number 1. Ford Fiesta 2011-2014. Taking the number 8 spot is the Ford Fiesta with its power shift drive dual clutch transmission. A gearbox so bad it spawned class lawsuits and forced buybacks. The symptoms are legendary. Shuddering in traffic that feels like a jackhammer. Rolling backward on hills, complete gear disengagement at just 31,000 miles. It is not just frustrating, it is genuinely dangerous. Ford tried issuing software flashes to fix what was clearly a hardware problem. They even bought some cars back. But the fundamental design remains a ticking time bomb. A new transmission costs about $4,500 before labor. And those clutch packs, the root of the problem, need replacing every 18,600 miles in city traffic. That is like paying rent on your own car just to keep it running. The manual versions are actually fun and reliable, but they are rare. Unless you can row your own gears, skip this car entirely. Those are 16 transmissions that can drain your wallet or even risk your safety. If you have got a transmission horror story, share it in the comments to help others out. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more real auto content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.